Now, going back to the rewards, you know, as I mentioned earlier, uh, there is one issue of nodes that include, containing non-Sharia compliant in them, which I find it problematic. And because, Strongblock is basically, operating on Ethereum, and Ethereum would have, both set of project, Halal and Haram project, then I am sure that, one way or another, your nodes will be, how do you call it, will be used for non-Sharia compliant purposes. Okay. And we know that, this is why I was saying, earlier about there is a difference, when it comes to like all these activities on generic platform, generic platform that can, how do you call it, that can be used for halal and haram purposes. That although you don't know, how much, uh, you don't know whether you're validating something halal or haram. I understand that, but we know that the platform is 100% involved in, facilitating, haram activities. We know that. Okay. And we can even probably have a good idea of how much that would be. So like, let's say for example, Ethereum, for example, yeah, there's probably 3,000 plus project built, 3,000 plus dApps built on Ethereum. Yeah, there's, I personally have identified maybe 700 or 800 of them that are definitely non-Sharia compliant just by looking at it. Yeah, if you look at the gambling ones, the one, we just know that. Yeah, there's no doubt about it. Yeah, I don't even want to say, because obviously I haven't looked into every single one of them. I would not even be surprised if we say 50% plus of project built on Ethereum are non-Sharia compliant. Now, it would be very difficult to say you're going to 100% be missing all the haram ones and, only be dealing with, halal ones. That's, it's impossible to say that. Yeah, you cannot compare this with Amazon delivery, for example. Yeah,
Mhm.
there is something that can be quantified, and then there are other issues as well. That's why I don't want to compare, the jobs of delivering items with the, mining and staking and all these stuff. But anyway, going back to strong node, as I said, the reward, obviously, getting a node on a non-Sharia compliant, you know, platform network is not halal for me. It would be problematic. Okay, whether we cannot say is haram. Okay, but at the least, sorry, it is doubtful. Okay, for me, it is doubtful. There is not enough. What I mean by doubtful is that there is not enough. If you say that there is not enough evidence to say that this is haram, then I will say that there is not enough evidence to say that it is halal either. Okay, and when there is no enough evidence to say something is halal or haram, then it is doubtful, and anything that is doubtful, the Prophet ﷺ had told us to stay away from it.